Hey everyone! Welcome back to Don Oregon Vlog. Today, we're looking to maximize your YouTube earnings. Discover the top 10 most profitable niches and their average CPM rates. Whether you're starting a new channel or optimizing your current one, this guide will help you focus on the areas with the highest revenue potential. Let's dive in. YouTube's profitability can vary widely based on the niche, audience demographics, and content quality. Here's a list of some of the top profitable niches on YouTube, along with their estimated average CPM cost per 1,000 impressions. Keep in mind these numbers can fluctuate and might not be completely accurate for every channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you don't miss out on any of our exciting videos. Let's begin. 10. Travel. Average CPM, $10 to $30. Travel vlogs, destination guides, and travel tips. Attract viewers interested in vacations and experiences, which can be appealing to tourism-related advertisers. 9. Gaming. Average CPM, $10 to $25. While CPM can be lower compared to some niches, gaming still attracts a large, engaged audience, making it potentially profitable. 8. Automotive. Average CPM, $15 to $35. Car reviews, automotive news, and repair tutorials attract both car enthusiasts and manufacturers. 7. Luxury and lifestyle. Average CPM, $10 to $30. Videos showcasing luxury items, high-end lifestyles, and premium experiences are appealing to premium brands. 6. Real estate. Average CPM, $20 to $40. Channels focusing on property reviews, real estate investing, and market trends attract high-value real estate ads. 5. Business and entrepreneurship. Average CPM, $15 to $30. Content about starting businesses, marketing strategies, and entrepreneurship can attract high-paying advertisers. 4. Education and tutorials. Average CPM, $10 to $30. Educational content, including tutorials and how-to videos, appeals to a broad range of advertisers. 3. Health and fitness. Average CPM, $15 to $35. Topics around wellness, fitness routines, and healthy eating draw a dedicated audience interested in products and services. 2. Technology and gadgets. Average CPM, $15 to $40. Reviews, tutorials, and tech news attract a tech-savvy audience, which is highly attractive to advertisers. 1. Finance and investing. Average CPM, $20 to $50. Reviews, tutorials, and tech news attract a tech-savvy audience, which is highly attractive to advertisers. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide on the most profitable YouTube niches helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your YouTube success. See you in the next video.